Imagine building a professional website without writing a single line of code. No designers, no developers, just AI doing the heavy lifting for you. Sound unreal? Well, that's exactly what we're doing today. In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully functional, beautiful website in just minutes using an AI tool. All it takes is a simple text prompt. No tech skills are needed. Whether you need a portfolio, a business site, or even an online store, AI can make it happen faster than you think. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The tool we're using today is called Ready AI, and trust me, it's a game changer. This AI lets you build stunning, fully functional websites just by typing what you want. No coding, no drag and drop builders, just plain text. Need a sleek portfolio? A landing page? An e-commerce store? Describe it in a prompt, and Ready AI generates it in seconds. The best part? It's not just a basic template. You get custom designs, responsive layouts, and even content suggestions, all powered by AI. And yes, you can tweak everything afterward to make it truly yours. I'll leave the link in the description so you can try it yourself. Now let's jump in and build a real website together, step by step. Okay, once you're on the Ready AI homepage, click on Get Started and then create an account. Once you're logged in, your interface will look like this. The first thing we need to do is create a new project and select the framework. First, we need to set the name of the project. For example, I want to create a website design for a digital product shop. So, I'm typing desktop shop as the project name. Next, we need to set the language. You have several options like HTML, Vue, React, Uniapp, and others. Depending on your use case and what exactly you want, you can select any one of these. For this one, I'll keep it as HTML and then click on the Create option. On the next page, we need to set the device and the description of our project. I will go with desktop for now. So, I'm selecting desktop from here. Next, we need to enter a brief description of our project. For example, I'm typing a landing page for my AI courses, prompt bundle, and various digital products like Canva design templates, AI-generated images, stock videos, and more. As you can see, the AI is even suggesting what to include in the prompt. If I click on Tab, I can confirm the same. It suggests that the landing page should include a hero banner, course categories, testimonials, and CTA buttons. Looks good. I can hit Tab, and if I wait for a few more seconds, it will keep generating new suggestions to include in the prompt. Okay, once the prompt or description is ready, you can create a new page. I'll skip this for now. Next, you can set the color scheme. If you want, you can choose between light mode or dark mode, select a primary color theme, and also set the corner radius if desired. Then you can click on Save. You could also use your microphone instead of typing the prompt. Another cool feature is that if you want to take inspiration from a specific screenshot or a mock-up of a website, you can capture a screenshot and upload it here as well. Once everything is set, hit the Send button. Now, the AI will process the entire requirement or prompt that we sent and structure it like this. As you can see, we have a hero section layout, product categories, featured product showcase, testimonials, CTA, footer section, and navigation header. If you're satisfied with the result, you can proceed to generate the page. However, if you think something is missing, you can modify or add elements here. For example, I want to add a Contact Us section. So, I'm requesting to add a Contact Us section. Our new outline is generating. And here it is. The outline with the Contact Us section is ready. This way, you can customize the content structure. Okay, once you're satisfied with the outline, hit the Generate button to create the website design. Now, the AI will process all the requirements we just provided and create a design. Initially, the AI will generate two variations of the same design. And here it is. The first design is ready. Let's look at the design. This is the hero section. Here, you can see beautiful visuals. These are some products I mentioned in the prompt. The animation is amazing. It gives a very professional vibe. Next, we have proper product categories with graphics. Then, we have the featured products. Here you can see some of the products I mentioned in the prompt with sample descriptions, reviews, prices, and cover photos. They look so professional. Next, we have the testimonial section. After that, the newsletter subscription form. Then we have the Contact Us section, along with a map and other details. And finally, we have the Footer section. Okay, that covers our first web page design. Now let's look at the second variation. If I click on this one here, as you can see, this is a different version with different images. The courses are slightly different, but the overall structure is essentially the same. Now you can select whichever one you prefer. For example, let's say I like this one the most. This is the version I want to edit further. The cool thing is that you can individually select any element within this design and edit it. For example, I want to add feature images for all these product categories. To do this, we need to select the selector tool from here. Now, select the area you want to customize. Once the area is selected, we need to type our requirement in the prompt box. For example, I'm typing, add feature images for every category, and then hit the send button. Let's wait for the AI to make the changes. And here it is. A new version of the web page has been generated. Now you can see that Ready added a feature image for every product category. All the images are quite relevant to the products. So now you don't need to worry about the featured images. If you don't like any particular image, you can regenerate it or upload a new one. For example, I want to change this image. Now, if you select the image with the selector tool, you'll see two options, image and link. Since we want to customize the image, I'm selecting image. Now you can replace the image, remove the background, or generate a new background. I'm selecting upload from the replace tab and then uploading the image I want to use. And here it is. The image has been set as the featured image. This is how you can replace images as needed. Next, let's say I want to create a separate section for all the products. For that, all I need to do is click on any product here, and it will show me an option that says Continue to Generate, or I can explicitly ask the AI. For now, I'll click on Continue to Generate, and as you can see, it says Thinking. Let's wait. And here it is. The new section has been generated. Now, if you click on a product category, you'll see the products in that category. Okay, now let's assume I want to create another page, specifically a product page for each of these products. To do this, I'm clicking on View All Products here. Now I'm clicking on the Continue to Generate button. The AI is now processing. Since this will take some time, let's fast forward. And here it is. The outline of the new page has been generated. Now you can customize the outline if needed. Once you're satisfied, hit the Generate button and wait a moment. The great thing about Ready AI is that you can design multiple pages for your website or app within a single interface or project. And here it is. Ready AI has generated 2 more designs. This is the first design. And it looks really good. Honestly, it looks like a perfect product page. I like it. And this is the second design. This one is also well designed. Now you can choose either one for your project. Using this same method, you can create pages for all the sections you need and then customize them as required. Now you can see the web page functioning like a professional website. Okay, now let's see how to export the project. If you want to view the code, simply click on the code option here, and you'll be able to see the code. Remember, we initially selected HTML as the type. So here we have the HTML code. You could copy the React code, download it, or copy it to your clipboard. If you want to share the design, click on the Share option and copy the link. You can share this link with anyone, and they'll be able to see exactly the design you've created using Ready AI. So now you can create an amazing website design like this without writing a single line of code and without any drag and drop interface. If you're a website developer or designer, you should try this tool. It will boost your productivity. And if you're non-technical and want to start your own website, then Ready AI is the perfect solution for you. The link will be in the description. Alright everyone, I'll wrap up the video now. Before I go, I'd love to hear about your experience creating a website with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.